Well, so in the next lesson, I will show you the most important features of this kind of melody, and I will show you. So I will go more in depth about that, and I will show you how to vary, how to change it, how to have some variations of it. So I mean, starting from the same melody. So if you have the same melody, we can also obtain some variations. And this method, so having a basic melody and trying to vary it so to obtain some variations is a very good way, is a very effective way of developing our musical instinct and to improve our fantasy in composing. So you will see that it is something important. Well, however, today I will show you a first example of such a kind of melody. And of course, you can use it as a model. You can take it as a model, and you can so that you can start you can start practicing. So start doing this kind of exercise using this model. Well, so now I want to tell you to show you which are the first features. So to start with the first with some first melodies, I can show you the most important features to start composing this this melody these melodies as an exercise. So the first point is that we have to compose it only using a major key, and it is better if we use the if you use C major key to start. So in this way we will only use the C major scale, of course. The second point is we have already said that it is important to have a full piece. So since it is so, it is important that we try to finish our melody with the tonic note, or we can also use the median, but it is better to use the tonic as the ending note, because it gives us a stronger sense of tonality and of ending. The third point is that we have to use, for the moment, we only have to use natural notes. So even if we obtain a very simple musical result, maybe too much simple, too much easy, it is better not to use accidentals. So use only natural degrees. So using C major scale, you will always use C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then C. So this is only for this moment. So only to start as a starting point. So we will have 7 notes, and of course we can use different octaves notes. So we can use, of course, this C, but of course we can use also this C, and then we can pass from this E to this other G, and so we can use all the octaves that we want. So we have a few tools. We really have few tools, but it is important that we try to have the best possible result. However, to have the best possible result, even using a few tools. And the fourth point about writing this melody is that we must try to write a very simple and a very short melody. For example, an eight bars melody. So it is important not to start trying to have some too much difficult. So try to write some very easy, some very simple melodies, and also some short melodies. Well, now I'm going to show you an example of such a kind of melody. It is written in C major key, so I'm using only the C major scale, and I'm using the 4/4 time. So I will have 4 beats, but rather than counting aloud, so rather than counting 1, 2, 3, and 4, I will keep time with a pencil. So I will do something like this. So I will hit my desk with the pencil in correspondence of each beat. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Well, so well, it is, as we said, it is an 8 bars melody. We can repeat it, and I will repeat it telling you the notes. So C, D, E, F, A, G, F, G, E, D, C, D, and then higher octave E, D, sorry, D, C, B, A, C, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, F, B, C. Well, as I said before, it is very, very simple, a very, very simple and short melody, and you can take it as a model, so use it as a model to start composing, to start doing your own exercises, your own melodies. Please remember, it must be a full melody, so a full piece. So in this case, we have finished with the tonic note. So it is. I suggest you to do something like that, and it is very simple. So see you in the next lesson.